What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this brand new episode of Restorations with Vic. For today's episode, we're gonna be taking care of these Adidas Superstars that are super beat. Back in 2018, on Thrift Store Day, I picked these up for $8 and these Adidas Superstars. I might do something with these in the future, so I'm gonna hang on to them. They'll be good for a restoration and a custom, but time to bring them back to life. We're gonna use Reshoevn8r products to clean the shoe up. Afterwards, we're gonna give it a little twist. So, without further ado, let's get it started. First step we're gonna do is put this shoe to the side for before and after purposes. Next, we're gonna grab our right shoe, remove our laces and insole. Now let's grab our Reshoevn8r shoe tree and adjust to the size before we put it inside the shoe. All right, shoe tree's good to go. It's fully in place. Now let's grab our bowl of water, our 4-ounce bottle solution, and squirt 2 squirts. All right, guys, we are all prepped, ready to go. The first brush we're gonna be using is our soft bristle brush, so we can start breaking down all the grime and dirt on the uppers. All right, guys, uppers are starting to clean up. What we're gonna do next is let the suds sit on the uppers for a little while longer. Then we're gonna move on to the insides of the shoe. As you can see, the tongues and insides are completely dirty. So we're gonna continue using the soft bristle brush to get all that cleaned up. All right, all done with the soft bristle brush, you guys. Now let's kick it up a notch and move on to our medium bristle brush. We'll use this brush on the rest of the leather to completely remove all these stains. Alright guys, uppers look pretty clean. Anything I might have missed, the washing machine will take care of for me. Now moving on to the last brush, we gotta use our stiff bristle to clean up the toe cap and the soles. Alright guys, shoe is fully cleaned up. We'll put that in the washing machine in just a bit. Next thing we gotta do is clean up our insole and our laces. For the laces, we're gonna dip them in our leftover solution. And then for the insole, we'll use our soft bristle brush. That looks good. Let's grab our laundry bag. Put our shoe inside. Can't forget our insole. And let's hit the washer. All right guys, time for the washing machine. Let's go ahead and put the Superstar inside our wash. Grab our Reshoevn8r Sneaker Line detergent, squeeze and pour 1 full ounce. Close this up. As always guys, whenever using the washing machine, use cold water with the regular cycle. We are back, YouTube. Thanks to our 3-brush advanced sink and laundry system and our detergent, we got the shoe fully cleaned up inside and out. Now moving on with this restoration, we gotta get rid of all the yellowing off the soles and toe box. We'll be using Salon Care 40, Saran Wrap, and the Sun. right, guys, let's go put these under the sun. All right, guys, we got the shoe back in the sun. As you can see, it's overall back to white. We do have a little bit of yellowing, but that's not gonna fully come out, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. The next thing we're gonna do is wipe off the factory finish off the stripes, tongue, side panel, and back tab using acetone and cotton balls. Alright guys, all done with the prep work, now let's move on to taping. What we're going to do is tape off everything but the 3 stripes and the back tab. Alright guys, we're all paper toweled up and taped up. Now let's lay down our black paint. We'll be covering up the 3 stripes on both sides and the back tab. Black is fully laid down, looks pretty good. Now let's get on to some stencil work. The first stencil we're gonna lay down is our 1986. That's gonna go right here on the side. We're gonna peel it and then lay it down perfectly. This stencil is fully laid down. Before we lay down the black paint, I want to show you guys this other stencil that I laid down first. This right here says My Adidas. Before I lay down the black paint, let's do the 1986 first. Alright guys, that looks pretty crispy. My Adidas is fully laid down. Same thing with the 1986. Last stencil we gotta lay down is our classic Run DMC. This is gonna go right in the back. The letter's gonna be white, the line's gonna be red. Stencil's fully laid down once again. Now, we'll be using white paint first. We're gonna lay down a nice base coat, cover up the Run DMC fully white, then we're gonna tape it off and then lay down our red paint for the line on the top and bottom. Back stencil's fully laid down, you guys. That's gonna be it for this restoration slash custom. The last thing we gotta do is go outside, protect this paint job with some Krylon matte finish. Alright guys, that's gonna bring us to an end on this full restoration slash custom on these Run DMC Adidas Superstars. Let's go ahead and break down exactly what I did. The first step, we'll use our 3-brush advanced ink alarm system and our detergent to get the shoe fully cleaned up inside and out. Then we removed all the yellowing from the soles and toe box using Salon Cap 40 and the sun. Then we moved on to doing some custom work on the shoe. We laid down the black on the 3 stripes on both sides of the shoe, the back as well. Then we laid down a bunch of stencil work. We laid down the My Adidas on the tongue, 1986 on the side, and the classic Run DMC logo on the back. Not bad for only paying $8. Hope you guys enjoy this video. This is Vick Almighty. I'll see you guys next Monday.